Get it going. So this morning, good morning, Donnell. This morning I'm watching BRFI or BFRI. It started to kind of rip out of there. My big question is, can it hold the $5? It's so close, 60 cents away from the $5 before the open. I did take 10 shares of LGVN to see if it can get back up today. Um, if it can, great. I'm just gonna hold that position. 10 shares on that one. It's had plenty of come down time. Just floating around at 18 right now. Anyway, main focus is, can these $5 stocks hold the $5? Let me see. Oh, that $5. OCP going on down. VRFI looking like it wants to pull back a little bit. Definitely another larger mover. The news on BFRI is a buy rating price target of $20, which isn't just great news. OCUP ended up fading off. It had a target price of $26. What? Okay, whatever. $26? They're in the phase 3 pivotal trial, but it's just it doesn't make sense that it's going down like this in the pre-market. Again, let me see what LGVN is doing, forming a new bottom. We'll see if it breaks down this 200. Shouldn't, but if it does, oh well. It'll be my cutoff point. I want to see it get back up. It's moving dollars. I'm only in a little bit, 10 shares. I want to save some money for if one of these go crazy today. OCUP or BFRI. Keep an eye on APVO as well. Nah, that thing's down too much. 23%, that's down way too much. Waiting to see if LGVN can start getting those bottoms in here. $5.55. Boy, that thing's heavy. It's getting on up there though. Come on. BRFI. Getting heavier and heavier. It's not giving ripped from the $2 or 260s up to the 570, so it's definitely very extended. This one's getting shorted through the ground. OCUP. Trying to find a turnaround point, but again, my question is, can it hold that $5? And they're very close in price as well. Yesterday, that position that I had on AVPO did go to $22. My entry price was 1069. It went to 22, so it was pretty nice. Pretty nice. And I closed that position yesterday. Let me see where APVO is today, which is what I was just looking at. I think it's back to the 13s. So, yeah, gave a lot of profit back from the 22. Feel a dump coming on that one. BFRI. Yeah, Donnell, that's what I'm looking at too. This thing's just too high right now. Maybe if it can do a retracement, but the thing is, below that $5, it may get a little sketchy under the 5. So we'll see what wants to happen. Let's look at the daily chart resistance. We have resistance here at the 409 and then resistance at the 501. I mean, not resistance, support. If it comes down and hits those levels, it could give a bounce, but we just got to see on this one. Good morning, Lauren. Watching BFRI do its thing. It's been ramping up forever. Got about 15 minutes to the bell. It's up 103% on very weak news. The news on this one is just a price target buy rating of up to $20, and it's at 541. So that just seems like spoofing to me. So we'll see. I did get into LGVN today with 10 shares just to see if it can find a bottom and lunge through this 200 moving average up here. And if it can, great. If not, oh well, I just sell it. If it gets moving down too hard on me. Coming down to this point, 1852. But it's definitely got a little downtrend down here. It's got 10 seconds left on this 15-minute candle. I wonder, can it start holding down here? I'm going to look to add here. I'll add 5 more shares and see if it can get up at the open, if possible. Yeah. 5 shares here, and then my out would be down here at the 18, as long as it can hold over the 18s. So it'll be 15 shares in on this one. Adding there. Now my entry price is a 19.89. Love to see it just start holding this bottom. 18.82s right there. So just hold the 18s, buddy. That's all you got to do. That's all I'm looking for. Anyway, BFRI coming on down. So yeah, these are the three that I'm watching. This BFRI, OCUP, and LGVN. I really didn't see anything else. SOPA just fighting a huge downtrend. Got to kind of see on that one. As long as this thing stays above the 1668s, that would be dope. Get a little movement back up. There's 19. Can we get back up there to my entry? Get back across that 200 moving average. Retest the 20s. Looking for those higher lows under here though. BFRI coming on down. Went straight up, and now let's see what kind of angle it forms going down. And LGVN needs to get back over the 19 and start to hold there. See if we can form a little upward trend here on the day. CPU. It's coming on down. Needs to break that 19 though. $0.05 away from the 19. Can go ahead and snap through it. Jumped up there quickly to the 1914. Looking for it to break out of this trend here. Break out of that trend and stay above this it's pretty much this 200 moving average down here. Everything else looks to be dipping. Retest of the pre-market highs would be the 2265. That'll be quite nice. BFRI Roth Capital Analyst Jonathan initiates coverage with buy rating. Yeah, that thing is basically just though when those ratings come out and it's that far away from the price that it's trying to get to with no real news, it usually fails. Let's see if this thing can hold up the 18s. Get that higher low in there. Get back up to my entry. Only down 11 bucks on these 15 shares. If we can run back through, that would be amazing. So we got a little bit of a dip on BFRI, but I just don't, this 15-minute up here is just still looking very drastic. Can we get a pop over the high of the 1914? Get on up there and just ride this trend. OCUP going on down. Still got a lot of volume on the day, but it did break down that $5, which I didn't want to see. So maybe if it can come back over the 5. But as for now, I'm not going to be watching that one. In a nice little double top there. Can it hold this trend of the 18? Okay, BFRI dipping down some more. How far was this dip from the 74s down to the 515s? About to break down the $5 right here. Even if it was to test the $5 here, would it be a buy area or would it need more consolidation on the 5? Is the question. Got 5 minutes to the bell. See what it wants to do. A little push out there. How much do you trust it? What's up, One Life? BFRI trying to get out of there. 4 minutes to the open, and it's getting wild now. Wow, wow, wow. So this is scary right before the open. Let's see if it can baptize some folks. Wow. All the way up to the 126% up. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this thing go. Okay. Breaking the 6, or almost broke the 6. About to open up here in a couple seconds. Good morning, GD, Fat Boy Drizzy. It is a crazy morning. Every morning of this Thanksgiving week has been crazy. All right, 5 seconds left. About to get the open. There's the open. What does it want to do? Also, I need to watch my other position over here as well. Came back up to the trend line there. Wonder, can it hold down here? Can it get going back up? 1850s would be the spot up there if it can hold. Letting these first couple of minutes play out. I'm already in here, but I just want to see this thing hold. And then BFRI, looking for the downwards. Will it go red on the day? Looking like it's working on going red on the day. A little bit. A lot of bit. Yeah, a lot of downwards motion coming in. LGVN still working its way up, getting a pop. I want to see it back up to my entry level. I'm only in 15 shares, but if it can get going, that's what I'm looking for. 1930s. Can we get back up there to the 20s? That'll be grandiose. We got a bottom here of the 1735. I don't want to see it come back down to. Let it get back up there, almost to my entry price here. Gonna let it play through that if possible. And my stop out point will be the 1732s down here. Getting up there to my entry. Can we break that 200? Nice. Can we break the 20s? Can you give me a full dollar? Break that 20. There we go. 2020s. Nice. Nice. All right. I'm going to look to be locking some in a moment. But of course, my stop is all the way down here. So I'm going to wait for a new bottom first. 1737 is my out. At this point. Ooh, I almost hit that limit order. Boy, glad I looked at that. 1737. Sell point on 15 shares if it can't start breaking. Okay, so yeah, wow. Immediately down. Let's see if it can stay up. Looking like the shorts want to push it. Can we hold up the 1850s is the question. That was a big rip down. 1850s coming back into play. Giving it some time here. It's a big mover. Shorts pushing it. See if we can get those 75s back up there. 75 got hit. 76. Has this nice little downtrend here. It got up here and touched the trend, but I want to see if it can hold. Can we get those 19s back in there? Only 15 shares in this one. I'm a little weary of it because it's already fighting a downtrend, but the daily chart doesn't look that bad. As long as this thing can stay above the 1793s, which is where I'll be putting the stop if it can continue up here a little bit. Waiting to see though. Anyway, BFR chopping around here. Can we hold those 19s up? 1920s. Need to start holding the 1915s if possible. If it gets back up here again, I may take off some just to reduce position size, but it's such a small size. But if it does want to go today, that'll be very nice. Back up to the 1940s. Can we start holding those 1950s here? Nice. Getting up to my entry price and kind of giving some problems. I want to see it back through that 2022. Can we get those higher lows here? 20s, 24s, throwing a wick up there. Can we blast out of this level? Nice. All right, so now we're in the game. Did we go into a halt there? Might have went into a halt, but it's okay. 15 shares, 22 bucks. I ain't mad. As long as it doesn't kill me when it opens the halt. Up $1.47 on this one. So we'll see what that play wants to do. BRFI still playing around there. Waiting, watching on LGVN, hard watching. What else we got? BFR, SOPA didn't do anything. So yeah, LGVN was a nice play. I saw this one this morning. It came down here and started bouncing off the 200 moving average, and I was like, okay, let's see if this thing can hold up. Because if it can, that would be a nice move back up here to pre-market highs if it breaks this this little trend line down here, and it did. So we will see. We'll see new lows if possible, or maybe it can give a little gap up because the daily chart looks good to me. Profit target is the pre-market highs, that 22.69. If I see struggling before that, I'll go ahead and exit. But it's only 15 shares, so I probably sell and just hold 5 because every dollar is $15, so why not? Anyway, let's open up my sites. Let's see what's home. Okay, when is this halt supposed to open? LGVN halt is supposed to open at 1935. Or no. It halted at 1935.56. Should be opening at 42.56. Well, not no. 40.56. Tripping. I may set out some limit orders over the top just to take profit up there, just in case it goes up there and snatches down. So 22.50. What is the high up there? High of 22.56. Go ahead and put some out there. 22.56. Actually, 22.50. Let's do that for the first take of 5 shares on a limit order. Actually, not a limit order. Limit order? Yeah, limit order. So that'll be going in there. I'll sell up there at 22.50. Sell. So that order is in there for a snap up there. And then a break of the 22, I want to sell some as well. $22. So I sell at 22.50 and 22 up there, and then hold the rest for a stop out position down here. Let's just say the bottom of this candle is the 1930s. So if it happens to snap down, then you know what? I want to see how this thing opens up. I'm gonna give it some time to play. That's what I'm gonna do, because it doesn't even have an intraday pullback yet. So I'm gonna give it some time to play. I was gonna be quick to do it, but it may actually gap up even higher than that. But I don't. So we'll see. 40.56 is coming up here shortly. We'll see how this thing wants to play out. 40.56. Getting up there above the 200 moving average. Huge green candle. And I'll just take manually with my hotkeys on this one. All right, about to open up. Let's see how it opens. Okay, taking a little bit there. Taking. Okay. So I have 9 shares left, looking for a move higher. I got one more. Yep, got sold out right there. Nice. 7 shares left. Can we get that 23 up there? There we go. Taking. Okay, can we get the 24s? Taking. 5 shares left into another halt. So 5 shares left on that move up. 19, 18. Okay. So we'll see how this one wants to open up. I'll be taking on weakness again. 5 shares left. I mean, I locked in a lot of profit to the upside, so we'll see. And we can also look for dips coming back down, but like I said, we'll see. Entry price now is the 1868 down there where I added. Oh yeah, Street Smart Edge allows you to change whether you're going to sell, sell your first in or FIFO, first in, first out, or last in, last out. So I have mine set to first in, first out. So the first ones that I bought up here high were the first ones to sell. That's why the average price came down instead of going up. I probably need to switch that to last. When I the last ones I get, sell those first. But whatever. Still holding $25, up $5 on this position. So it's nice on these last 5 shares. See if we can gap higher. All right, so let me set up some more limit orders. 20, I want to break of the 25. I'll take 1 share. Then break of the 25.50. If we can get both of those, just sell 25, 25.50, selling those 2 shares up there. And then everything else I'll exit manually. So nice. Yesterday was a nice green day. Turned out to be a nice green day on APVO. Ripped from the $10 for me up to the 22. And now today, getting a nice little $5 rip. But I do believe that the Reapers are coming. So I'm not just all, it's got the top side of this is the 25.50. So I'm selling a little bit at 25, a little bit at 25.50. If it wants to continue, I'll hold the rest for that. But I want to get majority of my profit locked in on this one. Man, Thanksgiving has been a blessing. Boy, boy, boy. I'm so thankful. And on this position, I was originally down almost 30 bucks. And then it just started coming through for me. I had the right idea and I let it play out. Praise the Lord. All right, so when is this halt supposed to open up? LGVN halt opening at 46.36. What's up, Lori? Watching LGVN. BFRI, like I said, on that news, that's horrible news. Horrible news. And it still needs to pull back. Still has a lot of pulling back to do on that one. You know what? I'm holding 5 shares. I'm gonna let it run. I'm gonna let it do what it does. If I see weakness, I'll just take manually. Because this is a higher price stock, so it can definitely get up, $26, $27. So let me see. 41.36. And I'll do manual exits. It's about to open up here. Let's see what it wants to give us. Can I get much higher than the 25 and the 25.50? There's the open. Can we shoot up to the 25.50s? Get bought up here? Nope. Get bought up here. I'm gonna sell that little dip there. It looks like it wants to go into a halt going down. Yep. All right, so I sold a little bit on the way down. Oh well. We'll see what it wants to do through there. Still well above my entry. But if it breaks down here, let's see. Got 4 shares. If it breaks to $20, $20 would be the spot where I'd be like, yo, chill. $20 is gonna be my out. So $19.99 for the rest. But it did get up there through the 25 and everything just very quickly. $19.99. I'll lock out the rest of the profit, which will be still 40 cents. I could do more than that. I don't want to lose everything. Let's just say a break of this level, 21. See, the gap was 21.43. So 21.50, I'll sell some. Because I want to lose everything back there down to the 20. Still up $3.85 on it. Put a nice stop order in there at the break of this level, $21. And it just came right back down to the pre-market high, basically. Anyway, anything else popping? BFRI ended up going down. VLON still looking trash. So I guess we'll just have to wait now for some better entries. Come on, upload. Boy, thing taking all day. Wish I can use my computer to upload that, but whatever. We'll take all the information. All right, let's see. Cura. What is Cura? FDA approval. Oh, it took a, whoa, that's a nasty dip from the 17 down to the 10s. And it's negative 18. So I am going to leave that one to its own devices. See how this thing opens up. Does it want to run higher? Will it give us a new entry point? That would be dope. Because I would definitely love to take more profit on this one. Only 5 million shares traded so far. And it should be unhalting at the 5203. 5203. I want to see it pop back up just a little bit so I can sell a little bit, and then we'll see where this downtrend wants to go for new entries. 52. 5203. Okay, less than a minute. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Hopefully it doesn't open up too low. Hopefully it opens up above my price here, 1868 entry. Getting ready to sell looking to sell right as it opens. See if we can get a pop up for some selling. All right. Let's go. 20 seconds, 15 seconds. Can we get a nice little pop up for some selling? There's the open. Can we get a pop up? Selling a little bit there. Not seeing the pop. Selling a little bit there. There's a pop. Nice. Can we get a little bit more? 2350. 2350s. I'll take. Okay. Did not want to give it to me there. Still holding that one share. So I'll probably just wait till this thing plays out. 23, 24. Can we get the 24s up there? Still looking weak. Any red I'll take. I'm going to just take it all. Looking for that 24 to get up there. Yeah, a lot of struggle here. $23s, 23.20s. Okay. I may call it good here. Yep, I'm gonna call it good there. And let this thing kind of consolidate and see what it wants to do above these levels. Woo, getting up there. Wow, got way up there. Back into a halt. So this is a crazy one. Back into a halt again. Thought it was going to end up dumping right there, but it didn't. It's a $4 rip down. I'll wait. I'm safe now. I got all my money locked in, so whatever. BFRI went red on the day. Don't think it can compete with LGVN. Let's see what else we got. Nothing else right now. Waiting for LGVN. BTTX. A lot of stuff just getting buy ratings today. No real news. Come on, LGVN. When are you unhalting? LGVN unhalting at the 58.46. So 3 minutes. And we will be hard watching this one for more movement up. Came down here and kind of broke the bottom of this one through a very small wick, and then, man, that thing jumped back up. So I just sold mine. I was like, whatever. We'll look for more entries. Did anybody catch any of LGVN this morning? Anybody get in on that? BFRI got a pullback up, a really wild pullback. Let me keep that one on the watch because it's acting crazy. BFRI is acting real crazy. Yeah, it's just overextended right now. If it continues going up, oh well. It'll go without me. Moved on this counter from the 564 up to the 617. Come on, LGVN. Give me a little dip. Another one. 57.33. $43 seconds until the open. See where this thing opens up. Will it open up at the same level or higher? And then will it give a dip? 10 seconds. There's the open. Can we get that dip? Dipping. Ay, ay, ay. Give us that real dip. Got in for the push out. Looking for it. Break of the 24 I'll take out. Yep. Okay. Got in very small there. Looking for that thing to get on back up here. This thing has room back down to the 21.99. So it definitely can get up. Giving it a little second here. There we go. Can we push out? Nice. Nice. So that's another little Subway sandwich there. Let's see how much can we continue to get that 28 up there. A little bit of weakness there. Want to see the break of the 28. There we go. 80s, 90s. Come on. Can we get it one more push up to the 28s? Nice. Taking up here. Taking a little bit more. Want to see it hold up here. Okay. Can we get one more lunch up? Come on. Give us that lunch. Can we get through the top? Okay. Taking on weakness. Taking on weakness. Okay. Oops. All right. I'm all out right there. So just took a very small little trade over the top. Of course, I know it's a high buy, but yeah, just taking that opportunity there for another little dollar rip there. We'll let it come down now. BFR still taking its sweet time. Red on the day. Waiting on LGVN. Looking like it's getting a little bit more pressure here. I'm gonna wait for this 15 minutes to set up because that was almost a double top. Almost. So I'm gonna give it a little bit of time. Let's see, it's got a bottom here of the 25.31. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy another break on this one. I don't think the next one will be as peaceful as that last one. Looking for a dip entry here now. Come on down like you know you want to. Break on down. Yep. Not gonna play this one. If it does go and break that high, oh well, it'll do it without me. Anything else popping up on the scanner? Nothing. BTTX. What was that one? BTTX looks very scary. What was the news on this? Oh, this is a buy rating. For this was type 2 diabetes. It's working on a pivotal trial. So it's in the trial phase for diabetes, some type of diabetes treatment. Let's see, 808s. A little bit more risky than these other two. Waiting for this one to finish dropping. So BTTX, I can risk down to the 811s on this one. And just risk a little bit. 70s, will the 70s start to hold here? Okay, got in there, looking for a little motion upward. Don't need much. Just get up here to the $9 is all I need. Risking 807. Looking to see if it can hold that 75 up there. 810s, I'll be out. What's this? A 775? 775, I look to get out. It can't hold these levels. So see if we can get a little launch up here out of these levels. LGVN still paddling around. I don't really know what it wants to do. Can we get that $9 up there is my question. 905s. Okay. Can we get any more push out? 925s will be a nice take area. $920s. 920 is my target. Can we get those 920 blasts through here? Okay, getting a little spicy back and forth. Want to see a break quickly of this high of the 920. Throwing a wick down there, taking off a little bit. Taking off some on these bounces. Struggling around the 9. Can always get back in. Want to see it break if it's going to break. 909s. Okay, struggling there. Taking a little bit off. Taking the rest off while I'm still in the green. I'm going to let this one play out. I don't know what that wants to do. It looks a little dangerous. I'm going to go back up and play with LGVN. So it's giving us a nice little dip down here. Big dip. Can it give any more follow through? It has 10 minutes on this 15-minute candle. Giving a little bounce around. BTT did end up breaking there. Oh well. I'm more confident in this one though. Let's see. This one looking like it's ready to pop. Pop some zits. Giving it a little bit of time. I like the way it's holding around here. Let's see, as long as it can hold up this 25.10, it may be okay. Getting these little bounces through here. 25.10, will it get tested again? Waiting, watching. 26 is trying their hardest to hold, but I think it's going to give some more movement down first. 26 getting a little pop there. I like it. I'm going to enter a little bit here and just take a small position size if it can get going back up. Entering little by little around here. There's a little pop there. Can we get up and back green? I'm going to add a little bit more if it gives me the opportunity. Nope, it's not going to give me the opportunity. Looking for it to hold the 26s. Okay, I'm going to cut that. Getting all the way back down to this low. I was going to add some more, but glad I took the size that I took because I wasn't sure if it was still trying to go down. All right, still got some time out there. BTT went up there, yanked down. Very choppy one. Wait for another dip on that one. LGVN. What do you want to do? You got one minute left to close this 5-minute candle. Can you get any green up? Because it's been holding this level quite a while. 25.35s. I'm going to enter a little bit here again. It's just holding a little bit too well. Giving them those problems. Entering just a little bit more. Waiting for this 30 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Want to see if we can get some green back up to the upside for a sell. Quick sell. Looking for that 85 to start to hold. Okay, adding a little bit more there. 26s, 27s. Can we hold this? 5 seconds left. We should be able to get at least a profit target of 26.82. At least. Let's see if we can get up there. 26.82, can we see it? 26.60s. Taking a little bit there off. Yeah, this one's not cooperating. I take everything right there. Give it a little bit more time. I'm taking very small share size because this thing is moving so big. Thought it was just going to be able to explode out of here, but it didn't. So now looking for more entries. BTT ended up going up there. BFRI felling out. LGVN looking better and better in this curl, but I don't know when it's going to get going back up. 5 minutes left on the 15-minute candle. Looking for the 25.90s to start to hold. Okay, that was a nice little move down right there. Will it break the body of this previous candle? 2502, yep, breaking that. Breaking on down there. How far will you go down? Getting a nice little bounce. BTT, okay, yeah. Focus up here. Few minutes left. Does it want to dip some more through this bottom? This bottom is the 2434, giving it some problems there. Can we see the 25s come back up? $24.90s, $24.91. Okay, getting a little problem area here around that 25 for the shorts. Okay, they're pushing on through it. Will they finally break that 24.65 down? Nice. Any more downwards? Like they're facing a little struggle point down here. Come on. 3 minutes left on the 15-minute candle. Should give some type of move back up. See how far it'll dive. Okay, yeah. Getting a little action down here. 2 minutes left. Plenty of selling. Looking for some more dipping. 24.50, will it start to hold? 24.50 is becoming a problem. Will they get on the bids? 24.50 heavy. There's the 50. Not holding the 50s. BTTX did go up to $10. Well, well, well. Whole dollar move, huh? All right. Continue to play LGVN on this dip down. Letting it dip as far as it wants to. Come on down, baby. You got some more. Push on down. Got a minute left. Come on. Come on down. Holding that 24 right there. Whole dollar resistance. About to close this 15-minute candle. May give a little bit of move up. Risking the 24 would be my risk right now. Looking for just a slight push down again. Holding the 24.50s. $24.50s. About to close this candle here. Come on, give us that close. Nice. All right, I'm going to play this one for a little bit of a move back up. If possible, low is a 23.50. 23.50 is my out as of now. Can you get up off that level? Get a little bit of buying pressure here. Just a little bit. Don't need much. Go ahead and break back over that VWAP. VWAP is at the 24.44. Need to see it get bought up here. It knows. Come on, buddy. Give me this one. All right, gonna stop me out here. Or not. So we got a bottom here of the 23.71. Looking for this thing to hold. Can we get a little pressure to the top side? Want to see that 25 start to hold, 24.25. This low here is the 23.70. I'm gonna have to get on down. 23.75s. Yeah, it's not looking like it wants to hold here. Come on, get those 24s back up there. Nice. Can we hold those 24s? I'm not going to enter anymore. I'll just take what it gives me back to the upside if it gives upside. 24.25 is what we want to see hold on the bid. 24.25. 24.09s, 10s. Too weak. It's not getting up. Shorts are pounding it down here. Yep, got me out right there. I'm okay with that. BTTX came back down. I still am interested in this one though. LGV until it fully fails out, I'm not done with it. Broke down this 2350. Was this a fake break? Can it continue to push? Okay, so now it is looking better. 24.25, I'll enter again. 24.25 is what I want to see. Entering there. Low here is the 23.54. Uses my out. 23.50s again. Want to see it get up through these levels. Nice. Can we get a little bit more action? 25s. Okay. Can we get that 25.50 up there? Apparently, see 23.59. Oh, come on, buddy. You got this. Give me that 26. So we got a low here of the 23.50 will be my out. Nice. Can we get that break? 23.50. So got my out ready to go if it wants to fail here. Want to see them knock it through that 26 though. BTTX came all the way back down. BFRI going on down as well. Okay. So we're just waiting to see if we can get this break of the 26. Can we stay strong here? Like to see it get that 26.80 up there and start to hold there. That'll be nice. There we go. 26 is getting on there. Looking for new lows. Can we start holding that 27? Okay, some little struggle up here. It still seems to be holding. So as long as it doesn't come down here and stop me out, I'll be okay. Not risking much at all on this trade. BTTX dipping. So it was a little bit choppy like I suspected, but you know, BFRI still red on the day. LGVN, will it give me another entry close to my original entry spot? See if we can just paddle around here. Let me come and read some of these. BFRI, you got in the BFRI. BFRI, you took an entry price at the 1617. I mean, not 1617, 617. Yeah, Ben's internet is still out. I guess I don't know what's up with his provider, but they just are not giving him any kind of good anything. Spectrum. So we just got to see about his. Come on, get that nice little lift out of here. You know you want to. Got 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. I want to see that 25.50 hold. He has the cable providers from South Park. Yeah. BTTX giving its last wheel. What is SOPA doing? Trash. APVO didn't do anything. Everything else kind of just died. Nothing can compete with BTTX, and oh my goodness, BTTX is still dipping. But I'm heavily interested in LGVN right now for another push through that 26. Looking for new lows. Break even would be the 24.33. So I'll be moving it up if it can get out of here. Come on, big boy. You got it. Get back over. We need to see it back over 25.60s. Trying to push down a little bit, coming back to my entry price. Will it give another entry here in this dip? Or will it go ahead and stop me out? Holding that 25 there. Is this another entry here? 25.50. Can we see that get close to the 25.50s again for another ad? Coming down quite nicely. $25.50s. Can you get close? Nice. $25.40s. Coming on down. Gotta hold those 25s up. Getting a lot of buyers in here. May be done for now. Coming on back down. Can't get a pop here. Got a little pop there off the VWAP. 25.50 is a questionable spot here. Okay, getting some pops here. Can we see back over the 25s? Getting some nice pops. Adding there. Looking for a little move out here. Gonna continue holding my position down here to 23.49 for out. Looking for that pop through there. 10 shares. So it's got my out in there. Waiting and watching. Can we get back up over this 25.75? There we go, 26. Can we get on out of there? Got a high up here of the 26.50s. All right, nice. We need to break 25.25 is my out as of right now. If it can't continue to push here. Let's get that push in there. 25.25. Need to see the 27s quickly. Now just look for a new entry if it comes back down. 25.25 is my out. It should push here. If not, it's a green trade no matter what. Want to see the 26.50s push in here. So gave me a second chance. Second entry chance here. Can we get that explosion out? Can we get those buyers in there? Or will you snap down? $26.28. Come on, baby. You got this. Got to talk them through it. Let's go. Looking for that 27. 26.50 break. Got close. Can we get that full 50 break? That 50 break, I believe, is going to hit a lot of sell positions. They're going to be trying to cover, but it could not get up there. Got my out ready to go, green. So if it dumps, I'm okay. I look for new entries. Coming back down, 25.25 is my out. Should have went on that last one, did not go. So I'll just take the profit. Needs to hold up the 24.75s. Needs to get back green on this candle. This candle green would be 25.91. I don't know if it can get that. And it did. Can it push? Can it push out of here? Come on, you're playing with my emotions. You got it. Come on, buyers. Let's push it. Let's have some fun today. All right, no buyers came in there. Still watching on the bid for big orders. There we go. Can we break that top is the question. Another failure. Come on, buyers, let's get it. There we go. Get on up there. All right, new bottom low is the 25.35. So 25.50 would be a nice one right here. I'll cut it at 25.50 if it wants to dump. But just giving it some time to play. Can we get that 27.50 up there? Can we retest this this high was the 28.76. Can we blow those shorts out of there? A lot of selling pressure through here. If it can't go, oh well. 27.25s needs to hold. Need to see the 27.20s. There's a 21.22. Just not holding those 20s. Okay, there's a 20. Can we start seeing those hold? 27.20s. Facing a lot of pressure up here. Okay, so I'm seeing multiple failures. Not holding that 27 up. Trying to knock those shorts off of it. 27.25s. Profit target is the break up there of the high. 28.20, 28.83 would be nice, but if it can't get there, oh well. We'll just cut it with the win that we got. Be definitely a smaller win than what we have, but it's whatever. It's only 10 shares. And now it's looking real weak. Okay, buddy. Let's go ahead and think about an exit strategy. Do I want to take some up here? Want to see it hold that 27. Can it get back across the 26.75 and start to hold? There's 26.70s, 26.80s. No buyers though. Okay. Well, I might take my little Subway sandwich here on this weakness and wait for a new entry. Let's see, any green to the upside. Okay, so it's becoming a grinder. That's what it's doing. I hate grinders, but since I'm already in the green, I'm definitely gonna hold. Hate grinders. Getting real heavy. Come on. Looking for that 75 to start the hold. Get those buyers in there. 74's got hit. Yeah, it's too much struggle here. Way too much struggle. Yep. It definitely needs to hold the 26.35s is what we need to see it hold. I'm just going to follow the plan. If it stops me out, oh well. Trying to stay calm. Trying not to press that sell button. 26.75 is the point that it needs to break. Okay, may stop me out here. Got a little bit of a rise, but it needs to get back over that 26.75. 26.50, I mean. Be even better. 26.30s. Okay. Can it show us some green here? Looks like it wants to. Hey, glad I didn't sell out. Follow the plan. Let's see if it can push up here and get over these 75s. Stop playing. Go ahead and pop out of there like you know you want to. 26.50. Shorts jumping on heavy here. If it does go through that 26.50, it's going to be a nice move upward. But still out here waiting. BTTX ended up going on down. Everything else kind of just slowed down. I think all of the focus is on LGVN right now. Will it get up? Still struggling on this point of the 26.34. So this will be another failure of this level. So the bottom here, 25.56. If it does fail out, 25.56. Where's my stop out right now? 25.50. Okay, I'm good. Just don't understand. It continues to fail. She'll be pushing straight through these levels. About to close up this 5 minute in seconds, 15 seconds. So let's see if we can stay up. Get bought up here. Give them that dip buy. About to close 5 seconds, 4 seconds. Come on, big boy. Give us that push. High of the 26.74. Can we get those 26.74s up there? Nope. Okay. Now the profit target would definitely be if it can get up there to the 26.82, I'll take. Because at this point, it's just showing too much weakness. Show us some green. Surprise those shorts. Nope, not doing it. All right, it looks like it's gonna stop me out. More buyers buying that dip. Can they hold the 26? Can we see the 26.10s? Yeah, it's gonna stop me out here. Break of the 50. Yep. Got out right there. That top and tail, it just took a long time, so exited there. BTTX came all the way down here, getting a little circle point down here, but I don't know what it can do off the bottom. All right, let this one pull back. That top and tail behind these what looks like a double top is just not looking pretty anymore. So I draw my trend line here. Looks like it wants to pop back up. Can you do it? Break back over the 26. I want to see that 26.30, 26.20s. Can you give a quick pop out? $26.76. Or will you break down? What's up, Sterling? Oh my goodness. Let me come back. Wait a minute. Is it gonna come back up? Yeah, it looks like it's gonna come back up. I'm gonna get in. Oh, I missed it. Did I miss it? Will it give me a back test? Okay, get in there. Looking for it to push. Low here is the 25.35. I'll get out. If it can give us a little push. It's what I've been looking for forever. Come on, baby. Get out of this level. 25.35 is my new risk level. See, that's the thing. When I look over at the chat, I can miss like these little subtle movements. So I don't want to really miss it. I'm going to see, because right now everybody's on this one. So getting in here, trying to see if it can get up. Test those highs. The bottom here. So we'll see if it can get up there to those highs. Have a bottom 25.45. So 25.50 is my out again. If it comes back down there and fails, be out. 25.49. There'll be a second failure down here, which I don't think they want to happen. I think it's ready to go. Beautiful. It would be a beautiful breakout here if it happens. So let me go ahead and mark this down. And we'll see if it can break out. I want to see that 27 come back into play. Okay. I don't like this setup. Okay. So I am, if it gets over, let's see, the 26.86, I'll be taking half. Do not like this setup here. Because it's getting kind of flat. 26.86 is my take point. Well, may not even give me that. Okay, 26.30. Can we at least see the 30s if possible? But it looks like it's building up to this trend line though, for real. So I don't know if I want to exit here. May give it a little bit of time. The low here is a 25.81. So as long as it stays above that, it should be okay, making new highs. So 25.75 is my new out. 25.75. Trying to see if it can push. 25.75. Don't want to see it fail that. $27s. Can we go ahead and break this out? That'll be dope. Okay, 2650 is looking like the point where I don't want it to come back down to. That'll be the new out if it can push out. 2650. Getting real sporadic here. It should be pushing those shorts, making those shorts real iffy. Let's see what it's got. So 2650 will be a dollar risk here. We want to see it continue to push here through those, through up to, come on, 2650. Give it time and space. Looking for to place that new low or that new out position, but it does not look like it wants to break out here. The 2770 is holding it. 2770. Can it get that push out? There's the 80s, 90s, $29. Nice. Let's see if we can continue. So definitely now the 2650 is definitely my out. Back into another halt. Yay! All right. So yeah, that's why I like keeping my eye on the screen, because I look away for a second and then bam. It's like, oh man. But yeah, now that it's halted, let me read through this chat real quick. Will I be trading crypto tomorrow since no stocks? Man, no. Dude, I long-term hold crypto. I got a portfolio. I can't look at crypto for a day trade. My mind just, I take profit too quick. Way too quick. I'm like, you know, I have a problem. But anyway, One Life said I was say retracing for another bounce. Okay, I wasn't calling millions. Okay, that was literally a year ago. No, he has cable providers from the south. Okay, see there. Okay, tulips withering. Depending on how far I am from their hub station, it sucks to pin. Okay, yep. Daddy Elon Starlink to come out. And then Daniel B says it's very unusual for it to break double tops. Haha, I laugh at you. This is not a $3 stock. This is a beast of a stock that is making moves up. This is not a $3 stock. Double tops mean a lot more when you're trading those cheaper ones, because that's a logical response to a 2-year-old, obviously. Yeah. Drug addictions. Daniel B is on drugs. Huh. Okay. I think he went to space. I know One Life. I was scared. I'm always scared. What do you mean? There is a 90% chance that I am scared on every trade. 90%. So, that logic goes out the window for me. Anyway, it is 9:50. Everything else looks to have fallen off. LGVN, man, looking real nice. And we've seen this happen multiple times over the past couple of days, where there's a huge red day and then the green day absolutely explodes over the red day. So definitely was looking out for it today. Anyway, let me see what time this is supposed to be unhalting. 48:05 was the halt, so it should be opening up at the 53:05. 53.05. We'll see what it wants to do here. No, One Life. I'm just taking little safe trades, you know, just getting my little blessing out of the market before Thanksgiving. That's all I want. I just want another turkey. The crazy thing is my original buy was down here at the almost a $20 level right here, 19 $20 level. It's up to the 29s, which is insane. Would have never thought. But that's why I'm taking profit and just taking profit on the way up, because I already know it can get real ugly real fast. I want to see it break the 30s. That'll be dope. That's only 25 cents away. Yeah, it can wipe you out, but you know, somebody once told me just put it all on the line. You know, somebody put it all on the line here, and they made a lot of money on this move. I'm just not willing to, because I am not that brave. Just opened up. See if we can get any more movement across those 30s, 31s, if possible. Getting ready to start taking off. Can we see any more movement up? Can we see the 30s come back in? Looking, waiting, watching. Can we see that 31? 31 is my target first take. 31, can we get that break? Little struggle point there. 31.21 did not hold up the 31s. I want to see a hold. Come on, get that hold. Taking a little bit up here. 32s. Come on, get that hold. Get that 32 up there. Taking a little bit up here. 32s, can we get the hold? Taking. Okay, nice. 32s. Taking. 33s, taking. Can we get that retest? Taking a little bit more up there. Back into a halt, looks like. Or nope, not halted. Woo! Woo, that was some gas on the downside, wasn't it? See if we can hold those 32s. I'll take over the 32. Taking up here. That was some gas right there. Taking over the 32. Can we get any more launch up? Ay, ay, ay. Red is not my friend today. All right, holding that little one share. I'm okay with that. And I'll just look for new entries because we are definitely at the highs now. And I'm not willing to play here. Uh, 31.70. It will be my out right now. Got my sell. Wants to get me out. Oh well. If it continues to pump up, I'll take it. I'll take another Subway sandwich on one share. Whatever. Getting real heavy up here. You're right, One Life. I'll need a toilet seat right here where I'm live streaming. You're right. I'll be dropping, boy, be like a sewage plant in here. Dropping deuces everywhere. So it did come down, waiting on this little dip to finish off. But that was some nice little gains today. Like $7 rips per share. I only had 3 losing trades on it, which I lost very little. Let me see, refresh. But nice little trading day today. What is milkmaids? Milkmaids, let's see, the moment that my hubby finds out that 5 pound bag of milkmaids you got was a was a joke from your younger brother and forgot about, the shenanigans shall ensue. Yeah, oh yeah, it is getting back up there. Nice. Getting those shorts in there as well. Can we hold up here? Is the question. 33s is the hold spot. Can we hold the 33s? Been real heavy. Is it going to show us red? Will it break the 33s again? 80s. Is it ready to go again? Nope. Showing us a little bit of weakness. That's gonna cause people to kind of sell right there. Showing 2-time red, trying to hold up. 2 times going red. Holding up. Can we see the 80s back up there? 80s were up there quickly. Shorts getting in here. I wonder, can it give it one more explosion out? Can we see those 80s hold? Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna get in just a little bit for this explosion out. See if it can give me like $2 or $3 more. Then I'm gonna get out. I like it. It's holding those 80s. Want to see that quick little run up. 31.22. Come on, give us that pop out. Nice. Almost $1. Let me get some cookies here. Come on. Give me $1. Not holding. 33.50s. Can we see it? Struggling up here. Yep. 33.50s. Looking for that break of the 34. Not going to give it to me. 33.50s. Can we see the 40s? Nice, nice. Can we get this break? Okay, I don't like that. I'm out right there. No, 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 Lord. You're not about to do me like that. Nope. Let's get this drop. Ain't no way you about to crucify me right here on this drop. 5 minute looking absolutely dangerous right there. Look at that. Nah, bruh. I'm good. Soul intact. All right, BTTX, BFR, still doing his thing down there. Anything else? BNE. G-Tech is coming off the bottom. Put G-Tech out here. G-Tech got a 3 million in volume. We'll take BTTX off of here. We'll see what G-Tech wants to do. Cura, slow down. ISPC just does not have any kind of volume to compete with these other ones. APVO. Somebody said, oh yeah, it is waking up. APVO GD called out. Wow. Getting back up there to those pre-market highs. Following this previous run up. See, I sold on up here, so I went ahead and got out. But we will see. I doubt it can reach back all the way to the top though today. Especially starting like it did. BFRI still red on the day, but it is coming back up. If it can get back green on the day, I'll be interested. So I will add that one. BFRI. BFRI. Why is it not adding? Oh, it's already up there. I'm tripping. All right. Let's see. Anything else? ISPC. Definitely got a nice little move up there. LGVN. Like I said, I saw that dip coming, man. I saw this thing. It just on the bid, everything. If you go back and look at the moment that I was calling that it was gonna drop, look at the bid, or look at the level twos. I was like, nope, not that size. Not about to take that one for the team. BRFI grinding up here. APVO definitely needs to, it's fighting a downtrend. And so I would love to see this one pull back. It's a little bit too late. The buy area was down here when it was flat, but you would have been taking a risk against the downtrend anyway. It was a good push though. $3 move. LGVN. Go ahead and get that nice consolidation. That means QLGN will follow APVO. QLGN. I don't know. Maybe. I mean, it seems like if it was gonna follow it, would have already been following it. It would have already been really making that move out of there. But it's not even getting volume. Look at these volume bars. Volume falling almost to 200,000 per candle. So very dangerous one to jump into for sentimental moves. G-Tech finally giving a little pullback. BFRI. Crazy thing is, I barely used any money today on those trades. I was doing like 5 shares, 10 shares, but it paid off. I mean, you can get $50, 10 shares. Why not, right? But I was definitely trying to manage that risk well. G-Tech getting a nice pullback. APVO topping tail wick there. Needs to do some pulling back. But definitely some interesting moves. What is wrong with this thing? It should be done. Man, I gotta. Oh boy, I tell you what. Computers, man. Well, it shouldn't even be doing all this. Let me go and create that. Oh my gosh, I did not mean to do that. Okay. Oh, maybe I did create it. Yeah, okay. It works. All right. Your boy LGVN looking like it's getting a nice little consolidation here. Let's see if we can get another push up there. Getting in right here for a little push out if possible. Profit target is at 34.12 up there if possible. Playing the top here. Nice. Can we hold out? Okay, nice. That's another $8. Can we get $10? $10 too? Ooh, getting that slam down. Come on, hold up there. Want to see it hold at 35. I believe it went to the 35. Get to the 35. It's facing problems now though. Looking for that 34.20. There we go. Can we get the 50 back in there? Let's start locking some in here since it's showing some weakness. Can we get those 34s? Locking in. Okay, taking all. Boy, I missed that one. Needs to do a little pop up here to let me out. Let me out. Can we get those 34, 33s? Nice. Give me a little bit more over the top. Just scare the shorts for my exit. Scare them a little bit. Just a little bit. Break of the 50, I got to get out. Yep. Got out there. All right, so I let that play below the 50. I don't like that top and tail on the 5-minute. AVPO did come on back down. We'll let that rest and reassure. BFRI is making its way back to a possible green day, but giving it some time. Mm. Okay, so you did finish? That's weird. And there were how many files? Oh no, you didn't finish, buddy. You got work to do. Which ones do we need? 22, 24, 24, 29s. Okay. All right. LGBN getting back up there. I'm definitely not about to play this top. It's just a little bit too spicy up there for me. G-Tech gave a nice little pull down. moving back to the 200 moving average, which is the 831, 30 cents away from that, so it can definitely drop some more. APVO, another questionable one, still down 17%. So we'll see. 33.92 is the bottom here. 33.67. I'll give it a play. I'll give it a play as long as it can hold above this 32.67. Should be okay. So I'm going to put my out there 32.50. 32.50. Hold that 32.50. If you can break, great. If not, we'll give up. Wanted to see a nice little push out of this 35 level. Need to see the 34.50s though. 34.50s, can we see it? Getting shorted heavy. 32.75 is becoming a new out point if it can't hold up. 32.75, is that the right spot? 32.50, 32.75, yeah. Let's see if it'll bounce off this $33. All right, stop me out there. Very spicy. I think I'm gonna let that calm down. APVO, huge top and tail there. Anybody take profit on APO? And then you took a $40 loss on BFRI. BFRI, and then this crazy thing, it came back up. Oh, stupid thing. But it's red on the day, so it's kind of hard to trade those that are red on the day unless they got some really good catalysts. But it's okay, trust me. I was down $70 yesterday, and then APVO paid me all the way back up. So, you know, you'll make it back. You'll definitely make it back. LGVN. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm gonna cancel this. It's just acting stupid. Man, I want to get that done today. I gotta go in and boy, I gotta do GVN. You know what, Donnell? It's the market is, if you're gonna trade in the market, you're gonna be a constant student. No one ever aces all the tests. I promise. Daniel B will tell you, that's why he acts like he does, you know. He gets his test back and the market gives him an F. He gets super mad and comes and takes it out on me and Ben. But yeah, it's always a learning experience. LGVN about to take that dip. APVO coming down here, giving a nice little dip down, but I do not like this top and tail on the 15. Too much pressure to push back against. G-Tech looks a little bit better. Very low volume on G-Tech. I don't like that volume story on that one. So I'm going to wait on all of that. BRF dipping back down. LGVN needs to go ahead and dump. I know it wants to. That's why I was playing like really, really cautious up here. I know it wants to dump. I feel it. Feel it in my soul. BTTX. Do you want to come back up under? I'm gonna put BTTX out here on watch. That does not look as good as it does on TD Ameritrade. This thing looks like it's just forming a big whip. All right, 33.18. So this thing is not dumping yet, which is very amazing. Bottom here is a 32.50. I wonder, can it hold that 32.50? This will be what, a dollar risk? Let's see. Can you break down the 32.50 for a fake break? Or will this be the real deal? This is looking like the real deal. Had two volume bar or two candles up here with selling pressure on it. After these beginning candles got selling pressure, so this may be the real deal move down. We will see. There's a 32.50 break. Yeah, getting on down there, Billy. Getting on down there. You bet you a six pack it'll come back to the entry on BFRI. I don't know, man. It's red on the day. It may continue going down. And plus, it doesn't really have a trend upwards. It just has a support here at the 521, which is pretty easy to break without a good trend. So I would say it's gonna break this support level here of the 521 before it goes back up. I think it's going down. All right, LGVN getting a nice little pull down. Will it hold up this 31.11? Support level 31.11. Can you hold that? Can we get a fake breakdown through there? Let's see what else we got. BFRI. Yeah, that's going on down. And wait a minute, it looks like it double topped up here. So that's more confirmation that it's a struggle through the top side. So I definitely wouldn't touch that one again. Well, not at this time. Maybe if it sets up later on in the day, but definitely not right now. G-Tech getting on up there. Let's see, that's a 20, 94, 60, 30-cent rip. APVO. Yep, there it goes on down to that support level. I think it's gonna break. I don't think it can hold the fives today. All right, this one's coming on down, getting a nice little sell-off here. Can it hold this resistance level? Can it start getting back over the 32.13s? It has like a couple minutes left. I wish it would just give a second before it tries to go up again. Hold up, hold up. I want to see it test through this level, or test at this level at least. 31.16. APVO getting real flat down here. Wonder, can it get up off these levels? 13.50 be a nice, and this is a very tight risk as well. So I might play this 13.50 just for a little. Well, that 15-minute though. That 15 minutes keeping me out. Don't like that. It's got to close at 15. LGVN, calm down, bro. Got down here, 31.44. Looks like it wants to go higher. So I am going to definitely be looking for more entries, just not right now. Got a couple minutes left on it. Can we start getting that some more red here and retest these levels down here now of above the 31, 38, 3140s? Support right there. Need to hold these levels. BFRI continuing down. Like I said, it doesn't have a good trend. G-Tech looking like it's trying to get up and out of there. APVO. 3 minutes left on this. It looks so good, but I think this is a trap. Back up to the 33s. Holding these levels here. Let's get a close. It's just holding here. I may give it a try here. This thing's looking real iffy. Like it wants to go up higher. I'll give it a try here. And the bottom here is a 3140. I'll get out. 3140s if it does not want to go up. Got my out ready to go. Can it hold up is the question. A lot of buying pressure under here. Love to see it go higher. Even if it's just a quick high pump. Matter of fact, the break of the 32 is where I want to risk to. That's $1. So 31.99. 31.99 is my out. On these little shares, if it wants to come on down. Want to see it get that pop though. I like it. Can we get those 75s to start holding? Like it. 87s. 1 minute left. It's looking good. Looking real good. Can we see those 80s? Do I want to add for a move up? Think I do. Adding there. And 32 will be my out. Looking for a little push. 32. Can we get a little push over the top of this previous high? 33.50 is my take point. Looking, waiting, watching. Can we get that push over this 33.50? 33.50s. Come on, get that push. If you can, it will be beautiful. Nope, not gonna get it. All right, 32.50 is my out. They can't push. Ooh, 10 shares. 32.50. Very small risk here. If it wants to dump, it needs to get up and go. I can't give it any more time. 33.50 is what I want to see break. The bottom of this low is a 32.70. Either it's going to go or it's not. If it shows me green and then red again, I know it's coming down. Will we get this pop? Okay, got me out there. I'll take that little loss. Getting back up there for this possible break. Do I want to enter back in? Can we see some green here? Entry 33.25. Yep, okay. Showing a little bit too much weakness there. Really thought it could get out of there one more time. BFRI. I'm going to take that off the watch. It's over with for that one. G-Tech did do what I thought it was going to do. APVO down. BTX, remove that. So yeah, so okay, trade day, getting a little flat up here. I think it definitely has the potential to go higher though. Can it show me green again? Can it show me the 70s? 69, 86. Got in right there on that little dip. I wanted to show me this break. This low 3150. Wanted to show me this break here. $31.50. I'll be out. Show me what you got. You real flat right now. Like 3 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Can it get up and get out? Is the question. Needs to break this flat top of the 33.50. Can we get that 70 back up there? '70s. Can we see them? Nope. Breaking down. Breaking down. Breaking down. On the level 2s, I mean, it's breaking down. There's another try to break this low here of the 31.38, which I'm kind of just holding right there, seeing if it can hold over this level and go higher. I just realized I burned through a lot of capital today, even with these small shares. Looking for it to get bought up on this dip. All right, stop me out there. So looking like it's gonna go ahead and push through and crack. I don't like it. G-Tech gave a pullback. Does this one want to go any higher is the question. Got up here to the, what is this, 34.12s. Just couldn't go anymore. So it ran out of gas. So I think I'm gonna stop playing with this one. If you're trading throughout the rest of the day, good luck to you. I'm about to shut it down. I have a lot of work to do today before Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that knocked out. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button. And what else was I gonna say? Make sure you check out frameworkfortune.com. Now, I had somebody ask about the scanners. I have to update those scanners a lot because I'm constantly making changes to my scanner, or not constantly, but you know, it depends on the market. It may be a change monthly, it may be a change weekly. It just depends on what the market is doing. So yeah, I gotta update those scanners over there on the website as well. Anyway, appreciate you guys for dropping all of your knowledge. Ben was not streaming. His internet keeps giving him issues, but we're gonna see if he can get it fixed. There's no other providers there, so you know it's kind of like take it how you get it, you know. And that upload speed they're giving him isn't even worth paying for. The download is pretty good, but the upload is what you need for streaming, and it is trash. He showed me the numbers. I was like, oh my gosh, they are ripping you off. But anyway, sometimes you pay for things that you don't want. Let's see. Anything else I need to say? Framework Fortune. Boom, boom, boom. Think I got everything. All right. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.